I get this quote from a movie. It's Rush. It's a Formula One racing movie, and Nicky Lauder is in there, and he's talking about how he accepts that there's I think he says the number's 20% chance that he'll die in a car, but he'll never accept 1% more. And though aviation is way safer than Formula One racing, I think, I try to put some of that in the approach of when I'm looking at going flying. Is I'm willing to accept that there is some level of risk. I mean, there's some level of risk getting on the road out here. So I have, whether it's maybe something mechanical, pretty quickly I find myself pushing towards, hey, you know what? Let me get this resolved, or whatever it is. And if you haven't been scared in a plane before, then you're very lucky. But once you've had something go wrong, you've had a major issue, and you've had to work your way through that, you've found that you're happy that that problem wasn't thrown on top of some other issue that you had already accepted.